Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me in this 30 days AI challenge. Um, this is part of the Mastering AI challenge training we're having. Today we'll be looking at the artificial intelligence. What does it mean? What's it all about? So before we start going to different tools like the ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Midjourney, I need to lay foundation on what the AI is all about. So yes, what is AI? So artificial intelligence, or AI as it's fondly called, is when a machine are taught to do things that normally requires human thinking. So for example, okay, I need to plan my day, and based on the tasks I have today, what are the results I'm expected to achieve today? I begin to pen that down. You can see I'm thinking, I'm trying to ensure that I have a deliverable or a result that is required for me for that day. So you can see as I'm thinking. So now using a computer to do the thinking process that human would normally do, that is what we call artificial intelligence in the simplest form. So let's discover what AI is and why is everyone talking about it. So what does artificial intelligence means? It means something made by people. It's not found in nature. Think of it as a toy car versus a real car. So in other words, AI is when computer learns to think like a human. Artificial means it is not human. No, it is made by human. It is not natural. So it is created using computers and software. So what is intelligence? Intelligence is the ability to learn new things and make smart decisions like we do every day. So intelligence means the ability to learn, to understand, make decisions and solve problems. So therefore, we will not add those two words together to have a simple compound word, artificial plus intelligence. So AI in simple word means machine that thinks. So AI helps computer to do smart things and almost as if they have their own brain. So therefore we say that it's a man-made machine that can learn and make decision. A man-made machine that can learn and make decisions. Also, AI gets smarter by seeing a lot of examples, just like you learn from practicing a new game. So in other words, you give the AI a lot of tools, a lot of data to analyze, a large set of data to analyze, and when it begin to look at those data, begin to interpolate those data, begin to interpret those data, it becomes better over and over. So that is what AI does. So that is a feedback that also helps its own learning experience. So we can see that in most tools we have here. So we see all AI is all around us. Whether you're in the music industry, you're in the medicine, you're in the medical field, you are in the academic field, you're in oil and gas. We see the use of artificial intelligence, some with machine learning, some with robotics, and so on and so forth. In manufacturing, AI is equally used in there. So you can see sometimes also in our search suggestions, adverts. So you are going to a place through based on your preferences, your taste. Then you see adverts that are coming up. AI is using your pattern to give you relevant advert that is targeted to you or to your consumer behavior. So when Google suggests what you are typing, that is AI helping out. Likewise, also in most of our fintech app, I'm going to give you an example. This is not marketing for them. For example, OPay, whereby you have to use a face recognition. Now that is also AI. Or you need to use your face to unlock your phone. So that is also AI. Likewise, also when you are watching movies and based on one or two or three movies you've watched, you see that AI begin to suggest movies based on the genres of movies you have watched previously, looking at your behavior. So, for example, you could see that in Netflix. Netflix suggests shows how you might like based on what you have watched. So you can always, even in medicine field, you see AI there. So there are various usage of AI all around us. Let us also, we have voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. So these are all AI tools that we are seeing all around us. So how does AI learn? AI learn in a special way, almost like a student in a classroom, continuous learning based on his output and also feedback received from users. Sometimes you see a thumbs up or disagreement on the result. So that is how AI learn. So human gives AI a lot of examples, like showing it many pictures of cat, different cat species, so that the AI can be able to learn those patterns and says this is a cat and this is not a cat. So AI looks at pattern for common shapes or color to understand, for example, what a cat is. So that is also what called finding patterns. So the more example AI sees, the better the AI becomes at recognizing a cat, for example. So this is how artificial intelligence learn. So two kinds of artificial intelligence helper. Note, not all learns the same way. Some follow rules and some learn by themselves. Sometimes we hear those technical jargons, supervised learning and unsupervised learning. But for now, I'm not going to talk about those technical terms. I'm just going to say rule follower AI and data learner AI. So you can see here, these are AI that follows exact instructions like a recipe. If A happens, then do B. So these are rule followers AI. Now we have what called data learner AI. This AI learns from a lot of information, like guessing what you will say next after hearing many conversations. After hearing many conversations. So in other words, it has a lot of data and it's looking at the data, is studying the data to know what likely will be your next line of action or what likely you say after looking at various data, listening to you, and so on and so forth. So that was that AI can learn. So call that data learner AI. So what is AI good at? Now remember that human give AI data, AI study patterns in data, AI improves as it sees more example. So what can AI do? AI can answer questions like a super fast brain that knows many facts because it has data. You can ask the question and boom, you see an answer. So also it can recognize its face and understand voices and the voice pattern. So sometimes you see whereby you can use voice to unlock devices and so on and so forth. So AI can help businesses make smarter choices, help business to make better decisions. AI can also assist in translating languages. AI can also help in terms of providing security measures like biometric measures and to enhance data security, so like we've seen in fintech tools. So what AI cannot do yet, because I put yet there. First, AI does not have emotions or feelings like joy or sadness. AI currently now cannot think alone. It needs people to give it tasks and guide its learning as part of today. Now, AI is not a replacement. AI is a helper, like you say, an helpmate. AI only does what it's trained to do. AI does not replace human intelligence. AI does not have emotions, and AI cannot think on its own. Then you ask the question, why is AI important for us? AI makes things easier, faster, and more fun. It saves times. It helps us to finish tasks more quickly. AI is more accurate. AI can find tiny details that human can miss. AI makes life easier. AI will help doctors, teachers, and businesses. AI reduces error. It improves productivity and also make life easier. Now, AI and the future. So in the future, AI will help doctors, teachers, businessmen. AI will create new jobs. AI will and human will work better in the future. I can tell you that for free, that AI and human is going to work better. So when human begin to understand the strengths of AI and their businesses and how AI can automate processes and make life easier for them. And when man begin to also master AI, I'm going to tell you that man and AI is going to work better in the future. Okay, so AI and our future together. So more smart tools, new kind of job, human plus AI teamwork. I'm going to say this that in the future, AI will help doctors, teachers, and businesses. AI is going to also help to create a new job. So with human and AI teamwork, it becomes easier for us to solve big problems. And AI is the powerful tools. By learning about it, we can build a better future together. Now remember, using AI responsibly. AI must be used carefully. That's very important. Humans should stay in control. AI should be fair and safe. AI is a tool, not a replacement for people. Now remember, this is my final thought. AI is not magic. It's a smart tool created by humans to help humans. And learning AI is for everyone. I want to say thank you so much for joining me in today's session on mastering AI. So, hope to see you tomorrow. Thank you and have a lovely day. Bye for now.